In this video, we will be moving through Bandit level 5 into level 6. So let's get started. The password for the next level is stored in a file somewhere under the in here directory and has all of the following properties. Human readable, it has 1033 bytes in size, and it is not executable. So last time we used the file command, but this time we'll be using the find command. We'll be looking at its options. Search for files in a directory hierarchy. And you have all sorts of options. What is going on? So why don't we look through some of these options and see what we can find, right? We're looking for size, so why don't we do a /size? Maybe we can find something here. We have a -size option here. Okay. What about executable? We have an executable option. Okay. So, is there any... I know that there will be options all the way at the end. Okay. So, seeing lots and lots of stuff, but nothing super crazy. Okay. Why don't we quit? So, the find command. Let's talk a little bit about a special character today. If you want to use the ls, why don't we can use the ls command. Why don't we cd into in here? Getting a little bit ahead of myself. Why don't we ls? All right, and we see the challenge now. We get it. So, the find command. If you want to use the find command, got options. We could do, for example, -size, right? Do 1033 bytes, and we could do the C marker for bytes, right? Now, if you don't know that, then I suggest maybe Googling or reading the man page, right? It is always in the man page. You will find size here, or if you want, I actually think that sometimes if you're learning commands, it's a lot easier to just Google it because you can find that information anywhere online. But I just got to prove that I know what I'm doing. So we've got the find size command, and we're going to look for a file that is 1033 bytes, and then we are going to look for something that's not executable. Now, new special character time. We have the exclamation point, right? Now, if you look through, we didn't really find anything that said not executable. What we did find was the executable command or option, and that basically said that it would look for files that are executable. So if we want to look for something that's not executable, we can use the exclamation point. This special character basically will say whatever comes after it. So you do an exclamation point dash executable. This right here basically says, hey, we're going to do the inverse of this option. So do the inverse of it. So let's do that. And if we click enter, we see one option here. This maybe here 07 file. So if we cat, well, actually, why don't we use the file command? Because we know that the file command can actually identify human readable files. So why don't we do a file, and we do a / maybe here 07 / file2. And we see ASCII text. So it seems this file checks out. Why don't we do a cat / maybe here 07 / file2. And boom, you have your password. So we learned a little bit about the find command and how it works. Now, there is a lot to the find command, and it is a pretty big deal. So if you think you should learn, I would suggest you should. There is a lot to the find command. There's things like, finding files based off of the user, based off of the group, based off the file name, based off the file type, There is a lot of options in the find command. So I would suggest looking into that. But yeah, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.